Alright, YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to open the door panel on a 2008 Hyundai Elantra. Driver's side door panel. We're going to actually replace the keyhole. As you can see, it's missing, so I'm going to show you guys how to open this door panel. So here we go. So our first step in our door panel removal journey is to take off this little square right here, and if you come down in here, you'll see there's another one right there. So you're just gonna get a pocket knife or the thinnest tool that you have. In this case I have this, and you're just gonna come and insert it right there, and yeah, just like that, just pop it out. We're gonna remove that screw right there, and then there should be the same one right there, same process. Just remove that, and then use your Phillips star screwdriver to remove the screw, and then I'll show you guys what you have to do next. Okay guys, we remove those two screws right there, that one right there, and that one right there. So now what you're gonna do is just get your flathead screwdriver just like this, and then come down here to the bottom, and this works on every single car. And if you come down here and just get underneath, you'll see this opening right here. You see that opening? So now all you gotta do is just insert your flathead and pull back towards you, and you can pop the clips and just follow through. It's way better if you use both of your hands, but as you can see, just make your way through and just keep on going until you get the whole thing. Once you have a little bit of more space, you can insert your hand and just do it with your hand, but just follow through. There should be 3 clips. There should be 3 clips in the bottom. There should be 3 clips on that side and 3 clips on that side. So just pop them. Put your hand in and you just pull. It's an imperfect process. Sometimes they break. Most of the time they don't. But just use your flat hand and just go through slowly. Let me show you what's guys. So now that I unclipped all the clips on all the sides, make sure you take this little plastic off, which just comes off as soon as you take off that screw. So now you have everything is loose, and I actually broke a few clips, but it's just inevitable. You don't have to take off that triangle. You can, as you can see, the door's already loose. You can just come bring it out, and in the back of it, see, just remove the door. You'll see the connections for the power windows and all that. They're usually very easy to remove, which is just like a push and pull. Let me see if I can get a good view. So right here, just push this and pull down. Works the same on the big one for the power windows. Just push and pull down. As soon as I do that, the door is gonna fall. So just remove the cables, and that's how you remove the door panel on this vehicle. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps us to make more videos. Give us a like as well. And thanks for watching. If you want to stick around, I'll show you how to remove and insert the new keyhole for the door, and how to connect the door handle. So here we go. So before we move forward, we have to remove the window from the frame. So what you're gonna have to do is, as you can see, there's 2 little holes here, little covers like this that you can open on both sides. You're gonna have to lower the window to a position where you can remove that size 10 bolt right there and right there. That will loosen up the window so that you can remove this whole panel, because the frame of the window is attached to the window itself, to the glass itself. So we're gonna have to remove this before you move any forward. I already moved forward and removed some bolts and stuff, but before you get to that point, just do this first, and don't do the mistake that I did. So I'm just helping you guys out. Just do this first. Remove those 2 bolts. I'll show you what to do next, and then you can remove the whole panel itself, because it's linked to the frame of the window. Okay guys, so this is the interior of our door. We already removed the door panel, and now we're gonna try and get access to the keyhole and switch door handle. So we're gonna have to just remove this little metal panel, which is actually pretty nice, because usually cars have like a little just plastic on it. But what we're gonna do is just use our 10mm socket, and we're gonna come and remove this one. This bolt right here says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 that we're going to remove, and we may also have to remove this 3 Phillips, these 3 stars right here. We may have to remove those. Not sure yet. I'm going to take those off and let you know what else. You can also start taking off, disconnecting more cables and stuff, just so you can have space as soon as you remove. But not necessary at the moment, just letting you know. Let me take those off and show you guys what's next. Okay guys, so a lot has happened since the last scene. I'm not sure how I'm gonna edit this video, but this is what you have to do to take off the door panel. So you have to first loosen up these bolts right here through this hose. So this window has to be at a certain, length so you can get those 2 bolts. Once you loosen that up, you can pull the glass up. And I left it up. I kind of put a flathead there so you can hold it, but if it falls, it'll break. So loosen that up. Then what I did was I had to come here and loosen this ones up. There's 3 of them, and those are they're gonna be this ones right here. They're the TORX T30. Yeah, those stars right there. And I removed those with the TORX T30, which is right here. Let me show you guys. Where's the size? Okay, here it is. So it's a T30. I removed those, and then the door still wasn't coming out, so you have to come back here. You have to remove the door handle, which in my case, it was actually broken. But once you remove this door handle, which is actually in place just by turning it to the side and pulling forward, it comes out, and you'll have this little cover right here. You remove that cover, and behind it, there's a Phillips screw, and then you just use your Phillips screwdriver, a star, and just remove that. Once you remove that, I'm not sure if there's something on this side. I don't have nothing because mine is actually broken, but there may be something on this side. Once you remove all that, which I wish I had on video, but I was learning as I was going. Now the door panel is off. The only thing holding it right now is just this wiring, this tape, which what I'm going to have to do is just probably remove the tape and open that up, or you know what, I think I'm just gonna unplug it up there. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Unplug it up here to remove this triangle. Just pull, it's set by clips. There we go. Yeah, so as soon as I remove this, just push and pull. This whole door panel is gonna fall. Make sure, please make sure your glass is, you're holding it tight or whatever, because it's gonna fall. Right now, if I slide it down, it's gonna slide down. So make sure you're holding your glass. Once you remove the panel, I guess you can just drop it all the way down, or just, you can actually even remove it. I left it there so you can stay on the rail, but you can remove that. So that's how we got access to all this. Now we're gonna work on it on the floor. I bought some parts for it, and I'll show you guys that in just a minute. And sorry for all the mess and also the location. Okay guys, so I removed the door panel, lowered the window as well, so it's all the way down. Remove the door panel. This is our door panel. This is my pieces right here. Everything is kind of broken, but this is what I purchased from the dealer. It's the lock assembly. I bought this, and I also bought this, which is the little plastic that goes on top of the lock assembly. And the part number for this, you can get it from this picture. I'm not sure which one it is. I guess the A2652280000. And the part number for the lock assembly is the 81970-2HA00. I paid for both of them, and the lock assembly came with 2 keys. I paid for that like about $50 or so. Now this looks very simple, just kind of like a push and play. So if this looks about right, my piece is all broken, but I just have to push this in here, and let's see, go. Kind of has a little place where you kind of follow through the rail, and that looks about right. That's about it. But this is your whole mechanism. Then the other door handle, this piece just goes in there, then you slide it to the left. You put that on whenever the frame is back on. But this is, I'm just gonna put this in place properly, but it looks like it is, and I'm gonna just try to keep it works. I'll let you know if I find any other issues. Then to put everything back, it's basically the same process, just in reverse. The video may be a little bit off edited because I did some parts before and some after, but I'm gonna put everything in order. If this video helped you, share it and subscribe, please. There's a little circle down here at the bottom. Just click on that. You can subscribe. Thanks for watching, and just share this video. I'm sure it helped you guys. I'm sure there's somebody that needed to do this, take out this door panel, and it's kind of difficult if you don't know, and you probably break stuff. Because I know I broke some stuff, but hopefully you guys won't break nothing because you're watching my video. So thanks for watching. Take care.